Hello guys, this is Ramjan. Engine delay starting issues. How to solve the problem in correct way? Let's go. Remove spark plug. Set spark plug for carbon deposit, insulation, electrode wire check. Visual check down. Check spark plug air gap within 1.1 mm cannot pass. Again 1.00 mm pass away. Next, check repair reference. For denso iridium standard 1 to 1.1 mm, that means it is okay as per reference. Now fitted the spark plug within reference torques. Now final check after spark plug installations. Final check done. Now started the engine. There is no any malfunctions. Everything is okay. Let's go for vehicle test drives. There is no issues. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.